Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to delete and uninstall secure folder on any Samsung phone. Now, to delete or uninstall secure folder on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then go to security and privacy and tap on more security settings. Now just select secure folder, then go to more settings. From here, just tap on uninstall. Now just select uninstall. Now if you open the app drawer, you will see that we have successfully uninstalled the secure folder from our smartphone. And this is how you can delete and uninstall secure folder on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.